Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to build real, lasting wealth and actually grow, then this video is for you. These are proven habits that can change your financial future if you apply them consistently, like Warren Buffett once said. The chains of habit are too light to be felt, until they are too heavy to be broken. Let's make sure your habits are building your future, not breaking it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others hustle endlessly and stay stuck? It's not luck. It's not genius. It's habits. Daily, often invisible, life-altering habits that compound over time. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 wealth-building habits you can start today, even if you're starting from zero. Jim Rohn once said success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Stick around till the end, because number 7 might just change your entire outlook on money. 1. Track every dollar. Let me ask you, do you know exactly where your money went last month? If not, you are not alone. But here's the truth. Wealth is not just built by earning more. It is built by controlling what you already have. It's simple, but 90% of people don't do it. What gets measured, gets managed. You can't improve what you don't track. Benjamin Franklin once said, "Beware of little expenses. Small leak will sink a great ship." Start today. Write down everything you spend for 3 days. Use an app like Notion, YNAB, or even a notebook. This habit opens your eyes. You'll see where your money actually goes, and that's where control begins. 2. Live below your means. Wealth isn't built by spending every raise you get. Habit number 2 is to live below your means, consistently. Warren Buffett once said, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you do need." Cut out the lifestyle creep. Don't upgrade everything just because you can. Challenge. Journal 3 monthly expenses you can reduce or eliminate starting today. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can invest. 3. Automate your savings. Don't rely on willpower. Set up a system that saves before you spend. Even $25 a week compounds into thousands over time. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Use auto-transfer features in your banking app. Create a separate Freedom account where you never touch the money. The habit doesn't just grow your net worth, it rewires your mindset. 4. Educate yourself daily. Educate yourself daily, even if it's just 10 minutes. One of the great minds once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Ask. Start a wealth journal. Write 1 new idea about money you learn each day. 5. Build multiple income streams. Habit 5. Don't rely on one paycheck. The average millionaire, they have 7 streams of income. A wise person once said, "Never depend on a single income." Make investment to create a second source. Write down 3 things you're good at. Ask, can I sell this skill, product, or knowledge online? Side hustles, investing, royalties, online businesses. Choose one and start small. 6. Pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills, pay yourself. Prioritize your future self. A wealthy man once remarked, "I made my money by saving 10% of everything I earned." Start with just 5 to 10% of your income. Put it into savings or investments before anything else. You're telling your brain, my freedom comes first. 7. Upgrade your environment. And finally, habit 7. Surround yourself with people who talk about building, not just spending. One of the great minds once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If no one in your circle talks about wealth, income, or investing, find new inputs. Subscribe to podcasts. Follow finance creators. Join a money-minded community. Upgrade your input, and your output will change. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built daily through small, consistent habits that add up to massive results. It's like that old saying that says someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Warren Buffett. Start with just 1 habit from this video. Just drop a comment below. Which one are you starting today? Like, subscribe, and let's build the life you deserve. 1 habit at a time.